Hello everyone, so I am here with the Photoshop tutorial. I'll show you how to add a sepia effect in an image. First, to add a sepia effect in your image, of course you need an image open in Photoshop. That's very obvious. And the next thing, the most important thing you need to make sure is it's in the background layer. The background layer is set. You can see that my background layer is set here. If it's your one is not set, just go to layer and new and click on background from layer. Since my background is already set, I have layer from background. If yours is not set, you will find background from layer. Anyway, so my next step is I need to add a gradient layer. So here I will find a create new fill or adjustment layer. The adjustment layer I need basically is a gradient map. So you can see the color is already has changed in black and white. We will do the rest of the edit. So I have a properties window here. So I click on the color bar just once. I got a gradient editor. Here I will basically add colors in different color locations. You can see location here is not even highlighted yet. So I'll need to activate this window. To activate this window or to make this window, what you need to do is just click on one of these slider. Now you can use it. So I will add color in different locations now. My target is 5 locations. So first location is in 0% and my color code is for the 0% 170400. Copy and paste. And also just copy and paste. Okay. Keep in mind when you are choosing color step or setting color step, you must keep the Alt key pressed. So when I said I need a color stop or a location on color in 0%, keep Alt pressed and set the location. So it's 0, now it's in 0 and I am keeping the Alt pressed. So releasing it, I go to the color box and I give the color code and hit OK. The same way my next target is 25% location. So I hold the Alt key and I take this bar up to 25%. Notice the location box please. So it's in 25% and I hit the color box and the color code I need is this one. Copy and paste. Okay. Next target is 65. So once again alter, dragging the bar up to 65%. Yes. Next color code for 65%. Okay. And 85%. Alter. Almost there. 65. Again click on color box and put this color code to get the sepia tone. Now my final stop is 100% of course. So Alt. Sorry, I didn't hit OK yet. Okay. Alt up to 100%. Click on color box. This color code. Okay. So you can see I have this sepia effect in my image. Okay, wait, you need to hit OK and gradient editor. Alright, just minimize it as well. So I have the sepia effect, but now I need to make it more realistic. You can make it more realistic, but you just need a few tips. So the first thing is I will need to create a new layer. So here I go and create a new layer. Now I will work on this layer. So go to the edit, from edit go to fill, and in fill I need this particular option. Make sure you have this selected. Alright, and this is unchecked as well. If you have them, click OK. So it's all black now, so that's alright, we're getting it back. Next we go to filter to add some noise, the grains, so we can make it realistic, like the old-fashioned images. Add noise. Once again, your setting needs to be like this, like 50 here, checked here, and it's monochromatic. And it okay. Now I need to resize this noise, these grains. So Control T, go right here, and make it twice bigger. You can see that the grains are bigger now. Next thing, I need to change the blend mode. So the blend mode is here. It's a normal now, but I need overlay. Okay, and I'll decrease the opacity right in 10%. So you can see that this looks more realistic than the previous result. You can polish it even further by adding some by sharpening the image. So to do that, again, first you need to merge all of these there. So Control, next I go to filter to make the image look even better. I go to sharpen, smart sharpen, and right here just make it more realistic. Maybe the amount I need, the radius, I can explode that too. Let's see how it looks. I can preview here, right? No, that doesn't look good. Maybe radius a little bit. Yeah, I think it's better this way. Yet you can set your own sepia tone, adjust it the way you find it nice, and hit OK. Yes, your sepia tone is ready.